Welcome back, first timers. But if you're new here, I'm David, and this is Terry.
We're the first timers. We're trying things for the first time, and you can too.
In this episode, we're doing a follow-up from a previous video we did early on in our YouTube channel journey, where we reviewed moment drinks for the first time. If you haven't seen that video, we're gonna link that right here, and make sure you check that out before you go forward.
If you remember and you saw that video, he was in a really bad mood that day.
There's no way to sugarcoat it. I was a complete jerk. I was in a bad mood. I had a bad day.
He had a bad attitude.
There was just so many things going on, and I was just stressed out, new, trying to make this whole YouTube thing work. And so that doing the moment drinks was a backup video. I was so skeptical, and there was no part of me that even thought it was remotely gonna work. And I thought I was just gonna trash the moment drinks.
You didn't think they were going to be good. They weren't going to relax you. They weren't going to put you in a better mood.
No, I knew they were going to taste bad. I knew that I was going to hate them, and I knew it was going to be a waste of money. And I knew all these things, right? And I went in with that mentality. But if you saw that video, you saw I went from being the grumpiest person ever.
A grimace, you might say.
To just like having a good old time. So, I mean, just from that alone, I know that it worked. And from that moment forward, going on, I pretty much have had a moment drink every single day. And I can tell you, for me personally, it's changed my overall mood, it changed my attitude, and it's really put me more at ease and a lot more calm as a person day to day. So that's why we're back here and we're doing a moment drink follow-up. It's been a few months, and there's a couple new flavors out, so we're gonna try those. We're gonna make some mocktails, but also just talk about our experience and why we still think that it's an awesome product. And while we're not sponsored, we would highly recommend these for pretty much anybody out there. Mm-hmm. All right, which three are we gonna try today?
We're gonna try the Still Blood Orange.
All right, that one has 15 calories and 3 net carbs in that. And this one's, like she said, still, so not carbonated.
And then the Still Strawberry Chamomile.
That one has 4 net carbs and it's 20 calories and is also not carbonated.
And then the last one is the Sparkling Plum Ginseng.
That sounds good. Mm-hmm. That one's 20 calories also and 3 net carbs. Yeah, and then which ones are we going to turn into mocktails?
The two that we're going to do mocktails are the Blood Orange and the Strawberry Chamomile.
Okay, cool. Well, you want to try them just all natural? This time we're actually going to do it in glasses so we can see the colors, because it took, I don't know, a couple months to realize that some of these have super vibrant colors.
We were missing out.
Yeah, really appealing if you drink them out of a wine glass. So you want to start with the Blood Orange?
Sure. What kind of special things does this have in it?
So this one has ashwagandha, L-theanine, and apple cider vinegar.
Yeah, it looks kind of like apple juice-ish with an orange tint. It smells like a melted popsicle.
That is really, it smells really sweet.
You can get a little hint of the apple cider vinegar though, just a very, very small hint.
Definitely smells, yeah, like an orange popsicle.
Yeah, ready?
Yep. Oh, that's a little sour, huh?
It's that vinegar in it. I like it though.
I do, yeah. You get the blood orange, you get the taste, you get the flavor. That apple cider vinegar gets you in the cheeks, but no, that's a really nice. That's a nice flavor.
I like it.
Yeah. What's funny about these is, we use it to replace a lot of different things. But I drink coffee every day, one cup a day. Terry drinks a Red Bull, but oftentimes we found that some of these we can use to replace, not that there's any caffeine in it, but we use it to replace our morning pick-me-upper. We also use it for afternoon pick-me-uppers. That 2 o'clock funk at work, have a little moment.
I like to drink them on Sundays. It sets the tone for the week, kind of mellows you out a little bit, gets rid of those Sunday scaries.
Yes, so if anybody suffers from the Sunday scaries, I know I do. If I drink the night before, I'm almost guaranteed to have some type of negative reaction the next day. And so to avoid that anxiety and that feeling, that pressure in my chest, I usually have one of these if I have drank the night before. And it's not like, I'm not saying it's like a liquid IV to cure a hangover or anything,
Right.
but it takes that level of anxiety down the next day if you've been drinking the night before. But also, if instead of drinking, that's what we've used this a lot for. On those days that you're just like, man, I had a really crappy day today, and I want to have a drink. Instead of pouring a drink or busting out a seltzer or something like that, we'll have one of these. Or if we want just a quiet night in or sitting by the fire, we pop one of these and just sit down and relax. And it's really cut down the amount of drinking. Not that we were doing that much drinking, but it's been a great replacement for us. I think
if you are trying to cut down on drinking, these kind of scratch that itch. You get kind of a relaxing feeling. They taste really great. They're in a slim can. It's like you're drinking a seltzer. If you put it in a wine glass, some of them look like wine. They're nice to take to the beach or while you're sitting at the pool too. All right.
Yeah, funny actually. When by the time you see this, we're already back from Vegas. But a lot of the Vegas pools you can't bring outside drinks in. And people try hard to smuggle in alcohol so you can save money on cost. I actually may or may not have smuggled a couple of these into the pool and give me a nice drink alternative besides, buying an alcohol drink or soda.
Yeah.
All right, which one do you want to do now?
How about the strawberry?
Let's do it.
We'll keep with the still.
And so this one has ashwagandha, L-theanine, and chamomile.
It's a nice color too. All right.
So I'll give you a little.
It has a strawberry, light strawberry scent, but almost like that vinegar
creamy
scent too. You said creamy?
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, it does smell kind of creamy.
Okay. Kind of strawberry candy-ish, but
Those strawberry
pretty watered
candies
down.
that
Have the jelly inside?
Yeah.
Yeah.
that you only find in like your grandma's house.
Yes, grandma strawberry candy. That's this, but not that sweet. Each one of these have adaptogens in them. They're derived from either roots, herbs, or other plants like mushrooms. Adaptogens like those have been used for over, thousands of years in other cultures. Some of them are known to boost energy without the effects of caffeine. They can help regulate cortisol levels, which I saw a huge drop in my stress levels and just being more at ease. And also there's reports apparently that it increase your athletic performance. I don't know about that, but maybe. But then also just lower risk of heart disease and stress-related illnesses. And I can vouch for this, it does help me sleep better at night.
Oh, heck yeah. Some of these do make me pretty sleepy, but that just might be a me thing. I've talked to other people and they're like, nope, doesn't make me sleepy at all.
Yeah. And it's not like you drink it like drinking NyQuil and you go to sleep, but it almost just puts you at so much ease that you're kind of just zonk out.
You're like, I could take a nap.
What do the kids call that? Disco nap? I mean, kids back in the disco age. And what's good about these, like we listed off the calories and the net carbs, is they're low in sugar, low in carbs, and they don't have that overly fake sugar taste. All right, let's go on to the next one.
Sparkling plum ginseng.
I'm excited about that one.
I usually prefer the sparkling ones over the still, but...
And so with these, they have the adaptogens, but then also they have some type of botanical. And these are things like ginger, thyme, hibiscus, ginseng.
Ginseng.
Or like this one, ginseng. And so they add like another kick, another boost of benefits and flavor without adding like fake flavor. So, that one's a nice color.
It is. It's a really nice color. It has an interesting smell to it. I can't place it.
It smells like plum.
Is that what plum smells like?
It almost like plum sauce, like Asian plum sauce.
I mean, you would be the expert.
Ginseng and plum, yeah. Smells like my mom's air freshener. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's a wake me up before you go.
I think I'm not going to say I have a new favorite, but that's really good.
Got the moment chills. Wow.
Yeah.
That one is really close to like wine. It's floral, botanical, but not overly medicinal.
Yeah, I really think the carbonation for me really puts it over the edge. I like the carbonated moments better.
We're not making a mocktail out of that one, right? Which, that one is definitely, I mean, they're all good, but that one's a standalone.
Yeah.
That one's a couple cubes in a wine glass and you're cooking. All right, let's jump into the mocktails.
All right, for the first drink, we're going to make with the strawberry chamomile. So you're going to muddle the 4 strawberries, and then you're going to add in the juice of half a lime, and then you're going to add in a couple of drops of agave just for a little bit of sweetness, And then you're going to stir everything together, throw in some ice, and top with chamomile, and then strain into a glass.
Mocktail cheers. That fresh strawberry really makes a big difference in the smell.
Oh my god, that's really good. I feel like I'm having a cocktail for real.
I don't usually like sweet drinks, but I'd go a little bit sweeter with the agave on that. It's a good recipe. It's easy. I would probably even put some mint in here.
It'd be like a strawberry mojito.
Yes, exactly. That's what this, strawberry mojito. All right, let's do the next one.
For next mocktail, we're going to use the blood orange moment. So first thing you're going to do is add in your blood orange still moment drink. And then you're going to add in your honey and your vanilla. And then you're going to put in some ice and stir that together. And then pour over some of the lime sparkling water. And then pour it into your glass.
All right, that looks like another delicious drink.
Here we go.
Oh yeah,
Oh wow.
a little extra sweetness on that makes a big difference. Oh yeah,
That vanilla really brings out that blood orange flavor.
makes it definitely like an orange creamsicle, but like a really deep, rich orange creamsicle. Like the remember those popsicles that were vanilla ice cream with
Yeah,
inside? I think, is it a dreamsicle?
I think so.
Creamsicle, whatever.
Yeah, something like
Some
that.
type of sickle.
Leave us a comment. Let us know what it's actually called.
I can see myself drinking that. It's refreshing.
Pretty good.
We're not sponsored or anything, so this is our honest review. But if you do want to buy these, we would definitely recommend that you use our link below and our referral code, because you'll get 15% off your purchase and free shipping. And that link is good even for returning customers. So they do come in different... Oh, hi, buddy. So they do come in different types of packs. You can get mixed packs. You can get other individual flavors. They do have new limited time flavors that come out all the time. You kind of got to be quick on those because they do sell out.
Yeah, I would suggest signing up for their mailing list if you really like them, because you'll get an email alert letting you know what new flavors are coming out, and they do sell out pretty quickly for their limited edition flavors.
I think it's time for us to cool off, sit by the pool, and have the rest of these mocktails.
Bikini time.
The boss has spoken. It's bikini time. So thanks again for following along in this episode, and join us next time when we do something else new for the first time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First timers.
High five.